touchscreen?
Yeah. Hey guys, we're in the middle of the woods, about to get slaughtered. We are at Richmond Hill in one of their trails, and we're basically getting lost. We've been here since what time? 11:30? Yeah, about 11:30, and it's 1 now. I said keep going, but they made me turn around, so I was like, okay, whatever. I was like, the road
with us.
No, next time we should hike by ourselves without the cat and dog.
Yeah, without the cat and the dog.
Because you want to carry the 60-pound dog on your back when you drop down?
He's not gonna drop down. What do you think he is? Oh, lazy butt. Anyways, we're about to go eat after this when we find our way back to the car, and then we don't have anything else planned for the rest of the day. Did I forgot to say good morning? Good morning! Good afternoon! It's like, welcome back to my channel. We're on a bubble tea cleanse and she wants bubble tea.
I done bubble tea yesterday.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Did you forget?
No.
Bike!
I just wanted bubble tea.
There, no.
I want to ride those.
Those are how
I thought you forgot about the
No, I
cleanse.
remember. I just
So you just disobeyed then?
Yeah.
Okay, I see how it
But I
is.
came clean to you today.
Yeah, at least
Yeah.
you did.
I'm honest.
You know, they went to YGO yesterday and they didn't ask for anything.
Who?
Remember? When you said where they're going, I was like, oh, they're going to YGO.
Uh-huh.
And I didn't ask for anything. They asked me, do I want anything? And then when they got back, she tried to get me to try her drink. And I was like, no, I don't want. It's like, I'm on a cleanse. Little did I know, I'm the only one doing the cleanse. I guess this will be my next vlog because I don't really have anything coming out. I do have something filmed, but I don't think I want to put that video out because it was really dark. The lighting on that video was terrible. Yeah, so the lighting on that video was terrible, and it was me and Sarah, and we were basically doing a mukbang of food that we made. So I was like, I don't think I want to release this.
Why are you running?
I don't think he knows what gentle is.
What are you running? They're gentle.
Look at that floof. Ooh, ooh. I don't want any feces. We made it back to the car. So the plan is to go back to bring the pets back home first, and then we're gonna go find something to eat. We're not sure where yet, but she just told us to decide. We are the worst decision makers ever, right, Carrie?
Right, absolutely right.
She said, right, absolutely right. Okay, sanitizing time.
Sanitizing.
Thank you.
Oh, no.
It smells so good.
He
What
tried
scent
to,
is that?
eucalyptus, I think. Eucalyptus and tea. I'm pretty sure you got it for me. Or I got it when the mall opened up again.
I just go back same way, right? I forgot.
Yes. Go straight and then turn.
Joe!
Oh, sorry. Look how tired Bear is. Oh, never mind. He stood up. Bless you.
It's the sanitizer. You'll be fine.
Going back out. What cleanse is this?
You want to try it?
Yes, I'll try it after. This is not a cleanse. We got wine. Oh my gosh, I'm supposed to be on this cleanse with Carrie.
I know, we broke it, but we broke it together.
Yes, that's all that matters.
What a bad influence.
Yeah, Tiffy's a little bit judging us, but this girl be getting 2 bubble teas a day, so she can't be judging us.
Who was the sponsor?
No one. Okay, time for the try. You have a hole to do it. Mine. Woo! Try mine.
It tastes like ice cream. You know
This
the-
one just tastes like milk tea.
Yeah, well, basically it is.
That's what she said. It tastes like ice cream too.
Yeah, it does remind me of ice cream.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Well, I feel like he would get along with Did you get that?
Yes. A good shot? I don't know. He's really fast. I got a bird. This is the setup. Her name is Chicken. She has a little hut here. There you go. She has a hut. Her food, water, bath, lots of toys. It looks crazy because the outside is like crowded, but if you go inside, it's actually not that crowded. She has a little swing right there. She has another like thing to hang on here, and then she has another thing to hang on at the back, and a little toy to play with right there. And then she likes to chill on top here a lot on these like perches, as well as the top of the cage, and then she'll walk across this little ladder and just play or chill. Mostly chill. And sometimes when she's scared, she goes up here. And sometimes I also like to play this for her, so she doesn't feel so alone. She's like hanging out with people. Right? Right, Chicken? Yep, so I got a bird. Vasco's already in it. Oh! I got that. Hey guys, I just woke up from a nap. We ate Taco Bell and KFC, and then Tiff dropped me back home, and I basically napped for an hour, and now I'm with Fang. We'll be seeing Fang in more videos soon because we're planning on doing a trying pregnancy cravings.
Yes.
Or like trying weird combinations, something like that. You already have ideas, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So Fang already has ideas. She's currently making us some dinner.
Chicken gyros.
Yeah, she's fancy, even though she shouldn't be trusted with this machine.
Whatever.
She's like burnt it a couple of not burnt it. She just started fires. That's what I meant. She hasn't burnt it. Okay, and meet Bosco. Bosco, come here. Bosco. I didn't record when I assembled it.
You're not too foodie.
Nope. I'm literally doing it after. It's yummy. Bye. Whee!
So, where did I ride?
So it's actually the next day, if you haven't noticed already. Basically, we ate dinner and then we went out biking and we went to get some hot chocolate / tea at Unionville, Main Street Unionville. Now it is Sunday and I am doing a painting that my friend ordered from me for her business. I'll link it somewhere here for you guys to check out, and we're just gonna get started. Okay, the base coat is done. I'm just waiting for this to dry before I can actually start my painting. This is giving me like Blue's Clues vibes. This is the first layer of, not paint, because obviously the base layer was the first layer, but this is going to be the first coat of the little random splotches. It's gonna be like a minimalist style kind of painting, so we don't want anything too crazy. I think I have enough dots on the board. And then I'm just gonna do a second coat and then start with the line work. Not sure if it's my imposter syndrome speaking, but it's good, but it's like it could have been better, I feel like. This is it against the sun. Yeah. I don't know. What do you think? What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Oh, sunny. So I just woke up from a little bit of a nap after I did the painting. I edited some videos for one of my other jobs, and now I'm about to wait for my friend to get over to my house so that we can head to Unionville again, because she wanted to try some cheesecakes from there. We're both bringing our own drinks because yesterday we got hot chocolate and a hot tea, so we figured today we'd bring our own hot drinks. She's bringing her hot chocolate and I'm gonna be bringing my matcha. And yeah, we're gonna try this cheesecake and I'm gonna get some phone footage. Woo! I'm so tired still. I didn't even eat dinner yet. Whew, that's hot. Okay, so phone footage will be what it is.
They said to him that he can't, which is really? Yeah, they can call minister. I'm telling you, like weird stuff. Everybody has a story.
Wow, so pretty. Oh, these are new, the fences right here. They didn't have those before. Yeah, I guess to protect the little geeses. We are on our bike. We stopped to see little geeses. They're not so little. Just by the deck. Cute little deck. Usually the ice cream shop is open. Is it open? Oh no, it's closed right now.
I didn't know there was a shop.
But in this, yeah, in the summer they have. Oh, they're fighting. They're fighting for dinner. They're really fighting for it. So we made a pit stop at the old confectionery. Is it called the old? Yeah. And Feng went inside to get candy apple for her husband, and I'm just not getting anything. So I'm waiting on the side with our bikes because I didn't bring out our locks. So yeah, that's the update. So Feng didn't get anything. There's nothing.
There's no candy apple.
Boo. Okay, we're gonna go somewhere else. So Fang got,
Peach iced tea.
yeah,
It's very rejuvenating.
and I got coconut yogurt, and it's good. Probably.
Is it?
I'm gonna try it. It's good. It tastes exactly what it sounds like.
Coconut?
I'm gonna end the vlog here because we're just going home after this. And I'm almost done and it's kind of cold, so I'm probably not doing anything the rest of the night. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted for this music. Bye!
Bye!
What?
I had some of my Instagram videos deleted because of copyright music.